Welcome back all. Great that my entry has arrived at Deep Eddy for the Street Takeover event. I got the last entry into the event. Wow. Not many castings left to choose from, and just fortunately only a couple of weeks before I bought a VW Jetta. Wow. Yep, it wouldn't have been my first pick to build that casting, but here we go. The event is about to start, so remember to tune in and watch. Let's roll. Good luck, everybody. Final test runs for this Jetta. It's not quite where I want it to be. If I had time, which I don't because of the postal system, I'd probably change the wheels out. But, you know, in saying that, it should be reasonably competitive, but yeah, we'll see how we go. Cheers. Not rolling too bad, so back to the workshop, a little bit more adjusting to squeeze a little bit more out of it, and it was sent off. Now you'll just have to tune in and watch YouTube to see how it goes. Bye now.